What's up guys, back to a new video. I'm Presley. Today in this new episode of Prism AeroSpace, today we are going to talk about the rocket updates of Prism AeroSpace of the last 1 year. For the last 1 year we weren't uploading any videos, so we got a lot of footage of our rocket updates, so let's go and dive into that. Before that, our flying GAN testers had an issue, so we canceled those projects. So now let's just dive into the rocket information. So before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can be notified of the new rocket updates that we are going to do. So this is our clip 1 of Hopper Engine V2 ignition test.
We are ignition. We're on ignition. Wow. Wonderful.
Go. It gave us a thrust of 674 grams. Good, but not enough. So we made the clip 2 Hopper Engine V3 version. We put in a slowed fuse, but it failed, so we force started it.
Just put the real thing in there. Oh, yeah.
So this one got thrust of 1.2 kilograms, and it will be very useful for our future plans, and this is the CC footage of it. So this is the clip 3 engine installation. This is our rocket nozzle part that we are going to click into the fuel. So this is our rocket engine that's going to launch, and we are just 1 hour away from launch. So let's open it and put the nozzle. Opening it. That's our engine. Rocket fuel. We'll put the fuse in there. This fuse will ignite, and the rocket nozzle is right here. Let me place that real quick. Boom. And press. Done. The rocket engine is ready for launch. Now we had to connect it to our Sky Blaster version 1. I added some fins so it will have more stability. So this is our rocket with our fins improved, and this is the rocket fuel you are seeing here. This is the fuse. So this is the launch pad you are seeing right here. This launch pad is a test version, V1 launch pad. So we are testing if this launch pad can hold the heavy heat of our rocket Sky Blaster. So let's go ahead and see the launch real quick. First, let's look at the rocket Sky Blaster V1 and the first launch of Sky Blaster series. Okay, this Sky Blaster rocket, we are using a slowed fuse. So this is the launch.
Guys, he just got it. He got on fire. Sky Blaster's cooked. What the hell? We had to improve the control of the nozzle. Nozzle.
So the issue with the V1 Sky Blaster was an engine issue and a little bit of stability issue. So we fixed that with a new launch pad and improved fins and a better rocket engine, V3 plus hopper engine. It has more stability and stuff, but the new launch pad had the V2 new launch pad had some issues. That's why the ignition of the V2 Sky Blaster booster had some issues, so we weren't able to ignite it properly and it made the launch scrub. So we are planning to make an automatic ignition sequence, so we need another version of a launch pad that will be coming soon, and we'll be putting more videos in that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.